2001 here. So today's video, I posted a short video. Two shorts said the full fire alarm, Minecraft fire alarm channel is coming soon. So this is it now. So let's get started right now. Get started. Okay, so first here we got the sprinklers right here, and we got the sprinklers.
Chat screen, weather, clear, chat sent, changing to clear weather, player view.
I'm still finished up the roof, so it will be complete soon. But we got these exit signs. We got the fire sprinklers, so every time I put like
flint and steel
fire right here, and we got the motion detector right here. We got the motion detector. So we're gonna be testing. We're going to, and we got the fire, the control. It control the fire alarm panels and stuff. And right here, these are exit doors, fire doors. So every time I pull, if I like this here up, these doors close. So I did not manage to connect to these fire alarm panels yet, but I think it's going to get done soon. So, and we got another one, and okay,
diamond sword,
let's do this
flint
one
and
first.
steel.
First, I'm gonna do the fire. We're gonna put some fire down, then slide it up. 3, 2, 1.
Diamond sword,
Okay, so we did the first test with the smoking detector, and the second test is going to be pulling. We're going to test this one right here, and the third test is going to be right here. Push this. So now
flint and
I have
steel.
to fix this right here. Well, I need to fix
Redstone
this
does.
right here because I can't. It can't connect to right here because it will cause this entire thing go off. So we done
Diamond
this
sword.
first test. So now let's wait for
Flint
the
and
sprinklers.
steel.
Okay, now second test right here. So I don't know if the sprinklers will go, but it will work. Second test right here. Okay, second test is done. So let's just do all these and stuff, and then
Redstone does.
complete is done. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay. So now the dirt test. The dirt test is pulling dirt.
Diamond sword.
Pulling right here, and it going to connect all. It's going to connect all. I don't know. Is it going to connect or not? It's going to connect all of these over here, but I don't know if it's going to work or not. So let's get started.
Error screen. Your device is almost out of the space that Minecraft can use to save worlds and settings on this device.
Okay, so
Why not
goodbye,
delete some old
guys.
stuff you don't need
Have a
so
good
that